Hello, everyone. It's Donna, and I just wanted to talk to you about the Janome sliding glide foot. I had originally thought when it came out that I would never want this foot or ever use this foot, but now I think I've found a use for it, and I'm going to show you what it is. So give me a second. So I just got some knit fabric at Hobby Lobby, and sewed up the side seam, and what I'm going to do is just make a simple casing here, and I'm going to make a quick skirt, but I want it to look fairly decent, so I've turned it down all the same width all the way around, and when I'm finished I'm going to actually probably go and cut off the bottom to make sure it's nice and straight instead of what they give me. But I'm just going to start going. And this will keep this perfectly as long as I keep everything on this flange. Everything should, stay the same width all the way. And it's a little bit wider than, say, your normal 1/4 inch foot, obviously. But that way you can get a wider seam. I won't make you see the entire thing, but as you can see, this is just a really, really nice. Everything looks straight and pretty in here. And just wanted to show you this foot. If you thought about buying it, here's one reason that you might want to do it. Makes great casings that look straight on some garments. So we will talk to you later. Bye.